You ready to go for a hike?
Yeah. Go shake hands with the Bigfoot.
He doesn't look very friendly.
Don't let his red eyes fool you.
Those red eyes
He's
are
a big
creepy.
softie. Looks like somebody came and painted the eyes red.
Yeah, there we go. Size comparison. So your beard, so you might have a little Sasquatch in you with your beard and your big hair. He's looking at you like, oh, we're friends. Hilarious.
A family tree right there.
Could be. Good morning.
Morning, peeps.
Oh my gosh. Good morning. Today we are in Jefferson, Texas, and we're going to do a little hike that we found over here. It's a Riverwalk hike. It's got some art, which you can see. Sasquatch or Bigfoot.
Yeah, another Bigfoot.
Another piece of art, but you know. And then check this carriage and horses out. Someone worked really hard on this. It's kind of amazing. I mean, this is all strips of metal. Pretty cool. So yeah, so far pretty interesting trail. It looks like there's a boat ramp over there. It's a beautiful cypress. So the water is actually right over here to the left. You can kind of see the riverbank there, down there. We'll get closer, I'm sure, the further we go on this trail. What is this? Got some honeybees, it looks like. There. Wow. Some bees. I don't know if you can even really see them. This is, I guess, a little safe haven for bees. Most of them are up top, it looks like. Teaches you a little bit about bees. Kind of cool. Looks like there might be some honey. Can't really see it, but there's the girls just working away. Pretty cool. Let's close it back. Where they have some privacy. There you go. Ooh, that's a pretty view. That water down there.
Not too bad.
The water's kind of low.
Little lights across.
Yeah, it looks like you can take a nighttime walk.
Yeah, they're strung all the way down through here.
Chain of lights. They are. Just kind of zigzag along the trail. This is a very shaded trail. It's pretty early. It's about 8:30, maybe 9. So we thought we'd get out early since it's going to be really hot again today, but this is beautiful. Look at
Yeah,
this.
it's gonna be a heat index of about 110.
What is this big round concrete thing?
There's a little plaque there that says what it is. Part of the city of Jefferson since 1905.
That's weird that it's on the ground. Aren't they usually like on a big tower or something?
Oh, it was a holding well.
Oh.
It drew water right out of Big Cypress here for the city.
Yeah, we're getting really close to the river. It's a pretty bridge coming up. Actually, it looks like two bridges. Oh, what was it? Okay, it's the first leaf I've seen fall this year. So exciting. Hey, that might be a nice place to do a little rock crawl. I guess this must be the train tracks.
Yeah, this is the train bridge. This is the
Okay.
new train bridge. The next
There's
one's the old train bridge.
It's the river down there. You get to walk under it. I'm glad there's not a train coming. Yeah, there's the old one. The
Yeah,
little wooden.
sometimes they light it up during Christmas. It's really pretty.
All the vines hanging down.
Mm-hmm.
The Virginia creeper. Looks pretty cool. There's part of town. Looks like they really planted this up nice. Some more statues. Like an elk maybe? It's like a bear over there. Morning. The grass is pretty. It's like that pink muley grass, sort of. If that's what
there's
it's
some
called.
over here too.
Yeah. Got little trees going.
Yeah, a lot of native plantings.
Little seed pods on that.
Pretty.
There's the road. Truck goes under it, I guess. Car coming across the bridge. Actually, a truck. Oh, there's a good view of that old train bridge. How beautiful is that? Love it. The water's just sort of barely flowing. All right, let's see what else is down the trail. If you see a Bigfoot, don't say you weren't warned. Pretty little flower. What are those? Touch-me-nots or something?
Yeah, I think that's what they're called. They have pretty little pom-poms on them though.
Yeah.
I don't know what
Little
those are either.
wildflowers. We have one of those at home. I got it at the native plant sale. Blue mist flower, or purple mist flower, or something like that. And we're underneath the bridge, the actual one with cars. We've arrived at the boardwalk.
Got a lot of little autumn flowers blooming.
Yeah. All these vines are pretty on here.
I guess really not autumn yet, late summer.
Yeah. So this little hike takes you actually through the swamp, but you're elevated. I see shade ahead. Kind of excited about it. It's not that hot yet though.
It's getting there.
Yeah, it's getting there. Look at this. So pretty.
See the little seed pods on it?
Oh, is that a seed pod?
I think so. It's so peaceful down through here.
Yeah, it is. It's really nice.
Walking among the little cypresses and all the other little trees. Just nice.
There's a dragonfly stuck in the spider web. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of weird, just sort of hanging there in midair.
Well, that's nature, you know.
The river's actually on this side. We can't see it right now. It's a giant cypress. Look at that one. Oh, it's really tall. I hear a train. It looks like
It's a little art installation.
Yeah, it looks like Bigfoot set a trap. Interesting.
Super interesting.
This little boardwalk, or whatever you call this, is just winds round and about all through here.
Yeah, just a couple feet up off the swamp so you don't have to walk in the swamp.
Yeah.
That's very nice of them.
Yeah, you wouldn't be able to come down here if it weren't for this. I mean, I wouldn't want to. I mean, look at that.
You'd sink up to your knees where you went.
Well, we have a fork in the road. I say left.
Left? All right, we'll go left. When we come back, we'll go right.
Okay. So, it's that way, people. Well, I guess we made a good choice. Someone was already on it that direction. Looks like Bigfoot took a bite out of the railing.
Yeah.
I didn't know they were known to eat wood, but
Maybe he didn't take a bite out of it. Maybe he just leaned up
that
against
magnolia tucked in there.
it. Big old magnolia.
It is. It's pretty. Look at all the moss on that log. I love it. I feel like the moss is taking over the railings.
You're a moss lover.
I do like moss.
There's more lichen on the railing,
Lichen,
though.
yeah.
I mean, there is a little bit of moss. If they give it enough time, it probably will be covered with moss.
I can see it turns and goes up in the woods even further. Can you see it over there?
I see it.
Looks like there might be more people at that end too.
Maybe. It's the best time to be walking out on it.
It really is.
Because you wait too much longer, it's going to be super, super unbearable out here.
Wow. Nice little cabin right on the river.
Found Bigfoot's house, at least.
Yeah. Got lots of moss hanging from the trees.
Mm-hmm.
Very picturesque.
Got a little music playing.
Yeah.
Y'all probably can't hear it, but we barely can.
There's a bug swarming my face.
Well, it is the swamp.
Yeah, there's some boats over there. See if I can get close enough to see. I just pushed you out of the way, didn't I?
There's Yeti's gate.
And people are at the end talking angrily on their phone. Oh, and they're also taking pictures. But it looks like it dead ends right there, so I think we are, what, gonna turn around?
Yeah, we'll
head
turn
back the
and
other
go
way?
the other way.
Okay.
See where the right fork goes?
Yeah. And we're back to the Y. The right is the direction we came from. You might be able to see the train bridge through the woods, maybe. So we're gonna go left. It looks really long when you're standing back here.
The camera always makes things look longer and like less steep than they actually are for some reason.
It does.
I mean, this isn't steep at all, but
No,
when you're on something steep.
And you're like trying to breathe, and it looks like you're just walking regular.
Like, I don't know why those people are winded. That's just normal grade.
Looks like another art installation here.
Yeah, it's
Or it could be
like a rock fence or something.
Excuse me, babe. Just push you right out of the way. Look at that vine. Is that a mosquito?
No. I think that's actually a poison ivy.
Oh. That's pretty. It looks like those Louisiana irises, the real
It's like
tall
a swamp
ones.
grass.
Yeah. You get the feeling out here that you might just look over and see like a gator or a giant snake.
I think that's pretty highly likely.
Yeah, look at all those.
I don't know so much about the
vines.
gator, but the snake probably more likely.
I hear sirens and construction noise, but mostly birds and bugs.
Back to the gravel.
Yeah. Some little woods over there.
Yeah.
It looks like it could get really water, like
I think it is very
filled.
flood prone through here. But, you know, we're going uphill again now.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, there's water on your side.
This little slough down there.
Looks like a breeding ground for mosquitoes. This side does too, all that green. You know there's water underneath all that green down there. Well, if you're into geocaching, it shows that there's one down that way you might want to check out.
We're a good ways down there.
Yeah. I wonder what this is.
I don't know. Kind of pretty.
It looks intentional, but I don't know what it is. It does have a little bit of a climb here. Oh, we wound back around to, I guess, the edge of town.
Yeah.
What are they doing?
No idea.
Can't really see, the woods are too thick.
You can hear them.
I'm kind of nosy and kind of want to see what that noise is.
Looks like they're digging a big hole or something.
No. Wait. Can I see anything in here?
I don't know.
No.
We'll be able to see them here in a minute.
Well, I guess we've reached the end of the trail. Looks like there's some picnic tables at the end where you can sit. All right, well, it's a nice little walk through the swamp.
Looks like they're redoing the streets through here.
So there's a bit of construction. Is there a good sign here we can show? There's the other end of the hike. We hope you enjoyed it. It was a beautiful walk.
It's a pretty little place.
Yeah, this little gift shop it looks like. I love this little awning.
Yeah.
Those tiles on the roof.
Tuscan tiles or
Yeah, lots of plants. Very pretty. Flowers. I like these too.
yeah, the old lamp posts.
Giant intersection there downtown. Little tiny red light. The vine's pretty growing on there too. Look at all this. Someone's taking a lot of time with their gardening. Watch your step there, babe.
I see it. Getting pretty busy downtown.
Yeah, there's the old general store with a truck in front of it. How cute is that?
Yeah, love the old truck.
There's the Chamber of Commerce in here.
Little,
oh, this is pretty cool.
Indoor seating area.
Yeah.
Indoor, outdoor. This is really nice.
Yeah, very pretty.
Somebody's
it's got the
using-
brick floor.
Yeah,
Yeah.
somebody's using a leaf blower down there.
Yep. Leaf
It's
blowing.
gonna get loud for a minute.
It's actually getting busy really quick. People are out everywhere. Oh, painting. The green building's really cute. Hello.
We might have to try that McGarrity's.
Yeah.
So they got vegan and vegetarian stuff.
Oh, Jeep coming now?
They're parking.
Nope, good.
Yeah,
I
we're
have
good.
to cross the street because the cutest thing is over here.
Love the old tug bus.
Me too. Adorable. Little old bicycle. Pretty cute. Lots of seating. Not sure what this is though. Oh, it's like a snow cone place when it's open. Super
Cute old hippie bus.
adorable. Looks like you can play some games out here. You're still looking at the bus. If you're in the market for some architectural salvage, we've got plenty of that. Going down the alley?
Just looking.
Okay.
See what they got. There's a breeze blowing down here too.
Oh, there is a breeze. Look at this, so pretty. Air conditioning unit on the roof, running non-stop, of course. There's like a vintage stove back here. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. I like those lights. So technically this is an alley. I mean, it's not really part of the shopping areas, but it's still kind of interesting to walk down. There's like little hidden seating areas all over the place. It's like lots of places to just have a nice little lunch.
Cute old barber shop.
Yeah, the little twirly barber sign's pretty cute. I like the green doors. Looks like someone's apartment at top. Interesting. We're at Bateman's Alley. Wine cellar.
That's what the back deck is
Oh,
for.
the seating is for this
the
wine
coffee
place.
house and winery.
Yeah. Whole store for peanut butter?
Hey, people love them some peanut butter.
Oh, I've
love
heard
peanut
that kids' cornbread place was really good. I've never eaten there, but Another big intersection. Buildings are pretty. Interesting clock, like back in the day when they had those really pretty clocks on the banks.
Oh yeah.
This breeze feels nice. That kind of has a West Texas vibe, those like shorter trees.
I think those are mesquites.
Yeah.
Or some little pin oaks or something.
Flock of birds of some sort. I like this lamp. Pretty.
Looking at the stuff in the closed antique store.
Yeah. Some type of outlet store here.
For blackburn syrup, what that they make here in Jefferson.
Yeah.
Not open today.
No. Hey, if you were looking, they have Mayhaw jelly. Well, I think we're just gonna walk back to the car and then drive around town and show some of the houses. And I know you can't see in that window, but there's a really beautiful tin ceiling in there. It's very ornate. Love it. Looks like some more like outdoor dining over there.
Yeah, I think there's plenty of outdoor dining in this town. Just too warm to really be using it right now.
This store has an upstairs
Section.
Ooh, look at the floor.
Yeah, I love the old
tile. Or they're not penny tiles, whatever they're called. Hexagon tiles?
Huh?
Those are hexagon tiles?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like this bench. Interesting. One of the cool parts about Jefferson is the brick streets. People still drive on them. It's really neat. You gave up? Well, you're sweaty. Yeah, we need to just get in the car and drive. I just keep getting distracted.
It's an old church pew.
Yeah, it looks like it is. It is cute. There's just so much to look at. I think we're gonna head back to the car and I keep changing my mind. Okay, I changed my mind again.
Firefighting equipment.
That's interesting. They got so much like architectural salvage here. This is kind of on the way to the car. I stepped on a big rock.
Yeah, a sweet old firefighting rig.
That is interesting. Got the little tank of some sort.
And pressure, and then you had to pull it to where the fire was.
Wow. Oh, I love these old clawfoot tubs. Well, that one's not even a clawfoot. That's on like a pedestal.
It's still a clawfoot. It's just got a different base on it.
Little old cafe set. Hey, I think we have one of these that we took out of our house.
Yeah, we gave it away. Ours did not work.
Is this wagon wheels? Maybe.
I think so.
I think we're gonna end up. Are we supposed to be walking back here? We're right by the train tracks. I guess it's fine.
Yeah, the car's that way, so.